Hello all. In this lecture, we will be talking about our BJP. My name is Atul Bharatna and future today. So, first of all, we need to know what is BJP. BJP is a bipolar junction transistor. You must have learned about it in your electronics subject. But because we have to use BJP at power level, so this BJP is known as power BJT. So power transistor are devices that have controlled turn on and turn off characteristics. These devices are used as a switching device and are operated in the saturation region, resulting in low on-stage voltage drop. They are turned on when a current signal is given to base or control terminal. The transistor remains on as long as the control signal is present. The switching speed of the modern transistor is much higher than that of thyristor. So when we talk about the application, they are used extensively in DC to DC and DC to AC converters like thyristors, and voltage and current rating are much lower than those of thyristors, and are therefore used in low to medium power applications. Power transistors are classified as: one is BJT, bipolar junction transistor. Another one is MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. SIT, static induction transistor, and last one is insulated gate bipolar transistor. MOSFET and IGBT we have learned previously. In this lecture, we will be learning about BJT, bipolar junction transistor. So there are two types of BJTs. One is PNP and another one is NPN. BJT has three terminals called collector, base, and emitter. In PNP transistor, when the base emitter junction is forward biased to saturation, the transistor turn on and the current flows from collector to emitter. When the BJT turn on, the collector emitter drops became negligible. When the drive base when the base drive is removed, BJT turns off. Similar in the operation for PNP transistor. Thus, the drive has full control over the BJT, conduction of BJT. So no commutation required by the BJT to turn off the BJT as it is required in thyristor. You can see the symbols of NPN and PNP transistor. In NPN, the current is coming out to emitter, and PNP current is going inside and coming out from emitter and going towards base. So it in this circuit is also showing basic structure of BJT. BJT has four layers. Uh, the first one is N plus layer, and over which N minus layer is grown, and upon over N minus layer, P layer is grown, and in this P layer, N plus layer is grown. The both N plus layer, first one and last one, is connected through uh, junctions, and these junctions are known as collector and emitter. Base layer is grown on P layer. Uh, so a power transistor is a vertically oriented four-layer structure of alternating P-type and N-type layer, as it was seen in this figure. The vertical structure is preferred because it maximizes the cross-sectional area through which the current is flowing. This also minimizes on-stage resistance and thus power dissipation in the transistor. The thickness of the drift region determines the breakdown voltage of the transistor. The doping and thickness level are shown in the figure. If we talk about the steady state characteristics, or we can call it an output characteristic. It is in between IC, means collector current, and VC, collector to emitter voltage. So there are three main regions in this. First one is saturation region. Uh, Next one is uh, ohmic region. This one is ohmic region. This one is saturation region, and this last one is cutoff region. Same like as transistor. This characteristic BJT characteristic is almost same. So there are four regions, namely cutoff region, active region, and saturation region. Saturation region is also divided in two parts: quasi saturation and hard saturation. In cutoff region, the base current is almost zero. No, hence no current, collector current flows, and transistor is said to be in on state. In saturation region, the base drive is applied and transistor is said to be on, hence the collector current flows depending upon the load. The power BJT is never operated in active region, that is as an amplifier, it is always operated between cutoff and saturation region. If we talk about the advantages, BJT have high switching frequencies since their turn on and turn off time are low. Moreover, the turn on losses of a BJT are very small, and BJT does not require communication circuit. Moreover, BJT has controlled turn on turn off characteristics since base drive control is possible. There are some disadvantages also. First one is drive circuit of BJT is complex. It has the problem of charge storage, which sets a limit on switching frequency. And last one is it cannot be used in parallel operation due to problem of negative temperature coefficient. So that's it for BJT. Thank you.